Hello, you're all welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website under 15 minutes. Yes, under 15 minutes. So let's get started. So when you come to your dashboard here, so you're going to buy your domain and hosting. I'm going to provide the link to how you get your domain and hosting. All right, so then you just come straight to appearance, click on appearance, click on theme. So theme is like the skeletal backup of your own system. So of your own website, it tells you more of your website. So presently, this is the theme. So if I should go to my website now and click on view site, it's going to show a website based on this theme. All right, so let me see. Let's check that out. So it's still loading. Yeah, as you can see, this is a website based on that theme and it's very ugly. So I'm going to create a website under 15 minutes very fast, and I'm going to show you how you can edit it. So you click on add new. All right. So when you click on add new, just come to search theme. So let it load search theme. Although you can just search the theme you want to use, it might be available here, but just for quick access, come to search theme and search for Astra. A-S-T-R-A, Astra. You're going to use Astra. This is the Astra you're going to use, A-S-T-R-A. Just install it. Okay, so it's installed. Let's wait for it to install. Now that it has installed, just click on activate. So we're going to install it and activate our website. All right, so this theme now is this skeletal backup. It's going to tell us how our website is going to be. So let's come back to our website here and refresh it. So as you can see, this is how our website looks like now. So let's come back to the back end of our website here. Now this theme, so all you have to do to create this website within 15 minutes is to click on get started. We're going to install a template, a standard template that will create our website for us. Then all we need to do is just to edit it, So I want to use Elementor, that's a popular page builder, to edit it. So click on activate, so they're activating. All right, so it's going to tell you that which page builder do you want to use. So you're going to use, you can use all these. All these are fantastic, but we'll use Elementor because it's the best. I call it the best page builder in the world. So click on that. All right, so after you click on Elementor, so you click on it. So it's going to load and give you templates that you can edit with Elementor. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Now, there are templates are like websites that have been created. So all you have to do is just to edit, change, and put in your own details. Just to change and put in your own details. Now, this template here, we have both the paid and the free. So you can just come here and search for only free. So if you search for free, it's going to give you templates that are free. So all these ones, okay, let's come there. I think, okay, all these ones now are free templates. Just come straight and look for the one that you like. The template that you like that is accordance to your shop. For example, now let me say I want to create a website that is about education. Let's type education and see. Maybe there's nothing of such. Let's create a website that is about let's say e-commerce. All right, as you can see, we have like 4 templates on e-commerce. 4 templates, but I'm not going to use e-commerce because for you to create e-commerce store, to make it more like your own, you have to like create it from scratch. But it's very simple, extremely simple. So I'll provide all that you need. So let us search for one template here. Let me just search for one template. Okay, let's see. Which one should I choose? So let me choose this marketing agency. You can choose any template under the free options. So you can choose any. See, they are all beautiful. So I'm looking for the one which one do you think I should choose? Let me just choose let me choose this accountant. Let's say you're an accountant and you need a website. So click on this accountant, and these are the 4 pages that will be given to you. Is it 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So you have home, about, services, why choose me, testimonial, contact. So this is like a portfolio of an accountant. Beautiful. So you can just, if you're an accountant and you want to create this website or any website, actually this is not only for accountants. Maybe you are doing any business, let's say a chef or whatever. So you just say, but we're importing this accountant website, this accountant template. So all we have to do is just to click on import complete site. So if you only need this home, you can import this home alone, but we need everything. So just click on import complete site. So it's going to import the whole website for you. Now, what do you want? Do you want to delete previous imported sites? Okay, just if there's any previous imported site on your website, you should delete it, of course. But now we'll just leave it the way it is, and we'll click on install. Now you need to put your name just for collection detail. What do you create the website for? Let me create myself working email. Let me just put my email, and you submit and start importing. Of course, you can skip this process if you want to, but it does not auth, just giving them these details. So you're going to click on submit and start importing. So you're going to go to the next page where it's going to start importing your website, full website for you. What you have to do is just to edit, change the pictures, change the content, and it becomes yours. Absolutely yours. Nobody can come against it. It is yours. Yes, it is yours entirely. That is the easiest way to create a website. Within 15 minutes, you are done. So let's wait for this to import now. So as you can see, it has begun to import our website. So it's importing all necessary plugins, theme, and every other thing that is necessary for this website. As you can see, so you have not to close this browser until it has fully installed. So you have to stay here, and it's going to install within a few minutes. Yeah, it depends on the size and the speed of your connection. So it depends on the size of the website. No, we have about like 6 pages, so it's going to take quite a little time. So just wait for that to finish importing. Finally, hooray, our website is fully installed. So we are already getting our website. So you can actually view this website. So I'm just going to close it here. I'm going to open this one that I've viewed before and refresh it. You'll see what's going to happen. You see the magic. Let's wait for the magic that's going to happen. And you will see our website fully created for us. So let's wait for that to refresh. Okay, it's refreshing. All right, so let's wait for that to refresh. So ladies and gentlemen, this is our website now that has been fully created for us. Yes, as you can see, everything is dummy test that has been fully created for us. You can see how beautiful it is. We've just created this website in a few minutes. So what you have to do is just come to, like, now you can begin to edit it. So you can just come to this edit with Elementor. So you want to edit this home page, or better say, come back to the dashboard there, come to pages, all pages, click on these pages. Okay, click on these pages. So it's going to give you all the pages. All right, let me put it there. So let me click on that. Yep, I've just clicked on pages, so it's going to give me all the pages. So let me just edit the first. I'm going to show you how to edit home page, and you can edit every other pages, every one of them. So now you can edit the home page. You can edit every other thing you want to edit here. All right, so let's just make things easy. You can come here and click on the edit, and it's going to edit with Elementor. So since we already have it here, so let me just click on edit with Elementor. I'm editing the home page with Elementor. Okay, so let that load. All right, listen, just when you click on edit with Elementor, you'll be on the editing state. So it is where that you can change everything you want to change. Let's say I want to change this person, this image. So you click on the image, just easy click and change. Click on the image, then select choose image. So I'm just going to choose one of my image here. I'm just going to drag the image and drop it. So it's going to load. The image is going to load. I'm going to just go to change it. All right. As you can see, it is loading. So let's wait for it to load. It should not take just few minutes. It's going to load. All right, so it has fully loaded. Now, all the images on your website, this is the way they are. So you just have to change them one by one. So I'm going to import it, and this lady is going to change to me. Yeah, me. As you can see, this is me. So yeah, now I can just change it, change this name. All I have to do, I can highlight it, or let me just highlight it and put my name. Just highlight it and put in your name. So Daniel, okay. Boye. As you can see, everything is just the way you want it. So you can just change everything like this. Change, create a free code. Everything has been created. All you have to do is just edit. Like now, you can edit this. You can leave the images and edit everything. And this, you don't, as in with this, it's very easy for you. In fact, you can create a client website for them using just templates. Yes, using those templates, you make your money. You just few 1 hour, you create everything. You can change everything you want to change. You can change this. Now, to change this form, you come back to the home page. Let's say you now come to one of the form thing. This is a form, WP form. This is a form they use. So you come to alt form. Click on alt form here. So it's going to load the form. With that, you can able to change what you want to change. Let's say, for example, you don't like the name. You can take away the name. So when you click on what is it, WP alt form. So this is the form, inquiry form. Just click on edit it. All right, so we are editing it now. I just have about 5 more minutes, so you click on edit. I just want to show you how to change this form. Of course, you can change the image, change anything you want to change. It's just easy, very, very easy, extremely easy. That is a simple way, and everything you need will be given to you. So it's still loading now. Let's say, for example, you don't like this. Let's say numbers of employee, just click on it, very easy, or come to this delete icon, delete it, and it's going to go off. Okay, and just save it. So save it, and when you are just immediately you are through with your designing, please always click on install, update, just update it, and your website will just be like this, exactly like this, just like your own. You can check the mobile, with the mobile version. It is mobile, 100% mobile friendly. So this is how it looks like, 100% mobile friendly. Can you see this? Just within few minutes, your website has been created. So let's view this. Let's view this our website. So I'm just going to exit this builder, this 3 menu here. Click on it, then click on exit to dashboard. Okay, so it's exiting back to, so we'll be back to our dashboard. So this is our dashboard. So let me also exit this one too. Cancel it. All right. So I'm now okay. Still loading. Let's wait for that to load. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm now back to my dashboard. I'm back to my dashboard here. So if I have to view my website, I'll come here and just open a new tab. Open a new tab, and you see the changes. So that's the easy way. If you want to change any page, just come to all pages. Very simple. We have 6 pages. That is easy way to see. You can change your contact page. You can change everything. Just change, edit, just normal editing, and you are done. So let me come to this setting. Let's come to setting. So there's something that you need to set. There's something that is very important, like your logo. Your logo. You have to change this logo to your own logo. So I'm going to show you how to create this logo. Now to change this logo, all you have to do is just click on customize. You should change this logo to your own logo, definitely. You click on customize. So the customize tab is going to open for you, whereby you can actually change your logo. So let me come back to this. I want to do 2 things together. So come to general. This part is very important. So your name. Let me just put in my name here. Daniel. Let me just put Daniel. Just Daniel. Then what is the website about? So you put in what your website is all about. That is your tagline. Let me just put accounting. Accountant. Let me just put accountant. So after doing that, come down. Please, this part is very important. Make sure that is your email that is here. Then click on anyone can subscribe. Although that was not important for this one, just click on save changes. Please do that. It's very important. So let's go back to this customize. So to change this logo, can I just click on this icon here? When you click on the icon here, it's going to big it out for you. So do you want to enable logo? Want to enable this logo in everything? So you just click on enable on the desktop and mobile, so that this logo will be present in your desktop and your mobile too. Then you just come down, click here. Then this logo, now this way this logo, you can see this is a white logo is here. So you just click on change logo. Then you select your logo. Then if there's a logo, any logo here. So if you have logo, let's say for example, I have a logo here. Let me see. Oh, it's not more here. All right. Okay, let me put this logo here. I'm just going to drag it. Just normal drag. Okay, let me come back here. It's quite getting slow. So let me try it again. Just come here, drag it, and drop it. So when the logo finish loading, I just have to just click on it and it's going to change. So let's wait for that to just load. It should not take much time. So you select it and click on choose image. You see what's going to happen to this logo now. It's going to change. It's going to change. So it has changed to my own logo. So that is very easiest way to change the logo. And you can change the logo with, maybe you want to make it smaller or bigger, stuff like that. So I'm just going to make it the way it is back. I'm going to press that button. It's going to come back the way it is. Then when you are through, please click on publish. It's very important you click on what? Publish. So click on publish. And ladies and gentlemen, that's just the easy way. So everything you have to do is just change, things like that. So let's come to that page. Let's come to about, for instance. You click on about. So please, the logo you should put on this should be white logo. So it's good to show. So this is about. Where this is about, just click on edit with Elementor. And you will change anything you want to change, like the text. And that is it. So that is just it. So let me conclude something in the setting. You come back here to the setting, come to permanent link. This permanent link is very important. So you have to make sure that is in post name. So please make sure it's in post name, edit, click on post name, and save changes. That is all you have to do. So everything you have to do now is just changing. It's just for you to just edit, come to each place, edit, and you are good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, I remember my noble self to do. I've just created a functioning website under 15 minutes. So everything is functioning under 15 minutes. So thank you. Please subscribe. Of course, please. I would love you to always get in touch with me. You can just subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. And remember my noble self, Daniel Adeoboye.